Hey folks, welcome to the Garden Canvas. Today we're going to be doing a garden hack using these Dollar Tree wire waste baskets. And I've featured this in another video, but I'm going to show you in real time actually how I'm using this today. I've got this garden bed here, our vegetable garden. We're going to be putting flowers in this section and cut flowers down the other side here. This section is going to be mainly for ornamental flowers, and I'm going to be sowing some zinnia seeds in here today. So this is going to protect those zinnia seeds from my dogs walking in and trampling on them while they're germinating and while those young seedlings are growing up. So in your case, it might be vegetables or an edible or an herb or something like that that you might be growing. And you might be protecting it from something like rabbits, cats, or maybe your dogs or deer. But we're going to be stapling these down as the seedlings are developing. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So let's get started. So I've already placed some seedlings here in the ground. I've got some Rebecca Sahara that I've already put in the ground that I actually grew these out through winter sowing. And so you can see them already, put them on in the compost, and I can just place these wire baskets over the top and just put a couple of landscape staples in the ground to hold those down, and that'll secure that and keep that from being able to be moved by the dogs or a cat or squirrel or rabbit. In the case of using it for seed, basically I can use this as a marker to kind of determine visually where I want to place the seeds that I'm putting in. So these are going to be lower growing zinnias or dwarf zinnias that I'm putting in here. And so all I'm going to do is just kind of use this to mark it with the basket. So now I've got a circle here, and I can just place my seeds within that circle, maybe 3 or 4 seeds within the circle, put the wire basket over the top, and then staple that down on both sides. And now that's nice and secure until those seeds germinate and the seedlings are up and more mature. So once the plants are larger, keeping the dogs out, it's a whole different story at that point. But this is going to be a good way to keep the animals from getting to your young, tender seedlings. So hope this is helpful. You guys make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Hey folks, welcome to the Garden Canvas.
I wasn't ready.
I gotta make myself cheery.